Welcome, food enthusiasts. Feast your eyes on this succulent, perfectly baked salmon. We're about to dive into the secrets of mastering this ultimate dish. Stay tuned to find out how to recreate this 5-star dish at home. To start off, we need fresh salmon fillets, olive oil, lemon, herbs like dill and parsley, garlic, salt and pepper. Choosing fresh, high-quality salmon is key. Remember, the quality of your ingredients can make or break your dish. First, pat your salmon dry and check for any bones. Now, this isn't just any ordinary patting down. We're looking for a thorough, meticulous process here. You want to ensure that your salmon is as dry as possible to allow the seasoning to fully adhere to its surface. So take a clean kitchen towel and pat gently but firmly until your piece of salmon is moisture-free. Now, onto the bones. Carefully run your fingers over the fillet. You're looking for tiny, almost invisible pin bones. These can be easily pulled out with a pair of tweezers. This step might seem tedious, but trust me, it is essential if you want a bone-free dining experience. Once we have our salmon prepared, we move on to the seasoning. This isn't an area where you want to be stingy. Generously sprinkle a little salt and pepper. The salt will not only enhance the flavor of the salmon, but also draw out more moisture, ensuring a crispy skin. The pepper adds the perfect punch of heat. After this, drizzle some olive oil. Olive oil will not only help the seasoning stick to the fish, but also give it a beautiful golden brown crust when cooking. Don't just pour it on, drizzle it, allowing it to cascade over the seasoned fish, creating a glossy layer of flavor. An evenly seasoned salmon fillet is the foundation of this recipe. With these steps, you can ensure your salmon is seasoned to perfection, creating a dish that is truly sublime. Time to infuse some flavors. We'll introduce a robust flavor base of minced garlic, chopped herbs, and lemon zest. Spread this evenly over your salmon fillets. Feel free to customize the herb mix according to your palate. Now let's get baking. Set your oven just right and slide in your salmon, adorned with a crown of lemon slices. These citrus kings will keep it moist and flavorful. Remember, the key to perfect salmon is not to overcook it. Patience is a virtue, especially when it comes to letting your salmon rest. This pause allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a moist, flavorful bite. Serve it with greens, roasted veggies, or quinoa. There you have it, a restaurant-worthy salmon right in your kitchen. And that's how you master the art of baked salmon. Simple steps, rich flavors, perfect technique. Give this recipe a try, share your results, and don't forget to subscribe for more culinary secrets.